Today I'm going to show you how we installed that window, how we got this T111 siding on here, and we had to do some wall reconstruction. There was rotten wood underneath the window that needed to be replaced, and there were no 2x4s for the T111 to land on at 4 feet. Those also had to be installed. Hi everybody, I'm Jim Dierdorf and this is Detroit DIY. Let's take a look at how all this got done. It's a new day. This is how far we got yesterday. What we've discovered is we have no land at 4 feet. This wall was all hodgepodge together. It was just multiple, probably 10 different pieces of T111 nailed on here. It was kind of a mess. We also have our windowsill is rotten on top, so we're going to cut this out. We're going to add our 2x4s at 4 feet top and bottom and get this all secured up real nice and get it ready for the new window. With the reciprocating saw, I'm going to start removing some of this material. Morning, John. Perfect.
Ready to get smacked in the face.
Everything else here is gonna be alright. With everything removed, we're ready to start putting it back together. I've got both of these cut. I've got the bottom in place, and I'm going to secure it again with some construction screws. Now we'll get the top in place and the same thing. I want to double this up because this is my land, so we're going to go ahead and get a second one in here right next to this one. And 4 feet's going to fall right in the center. Once I get this finished, I'm going to do the exact same thing up here so that I have 4 feet. I've got all the framing done, and we're getting ready to put this piece of siding on. I've already showed that over here, so there's no need to show that again. However, we will come back when we cut out the window opening. With the first piece of siding on, we're going to go ahead now and cut the window opening in this piece. That will give us the room to cut the opening in the next piece and know exactly where we're cutting. Fucking wiped out feeling. That's early. Alright. I hope I got enough room.
Yep.
Good?
Yep. You got there.
How am I going to do this? So I'm going to come through like this. That was like perfect on the edge, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
That's all there is to it. We're going to get this other piece up, do the exact same thing, and then we'll be ready to fit a window in. We've got all the siding complete, and we've got painted around the window opening just for assurance, and we're going to get this window in right now.
Top and the bottom.
That'd be a good bottom right there.
I got her.
I'm going to be using 2.5 inch exterior coated screws, decking screws, to hold this window in place. So about right here I should hit. Maybe. With this window in, I'm going to have to end it right here for this video. We've got a lot done, but we still have a lot more to do. There's one more side, one more window, and then we have to trim all of this out. And that'll be a good video for you to catch to see how to trim out this T111 on the corners to keep it looking really nice. If you enjoyed yourself, click on one of those two videos that are going to pop up next to me. And remember to always respect the power of your power tools. We'll see you soon.